rebuilt the transmission on this C5 Corvette. I just wanted to show you the drivetrain on it, and we're going to fill this thing up with fluid. For anybody that don't know how to top off the transmission fluid on one, I'm going to show you where the plug is and how to do all that. Okay, so what we got here is right on the side of the pan. This is a 4L60E transmission, and right on the side of the pan you'll have a plug. It's a 13/16. That's the plug you'll take out to refill it. We added 4 quarts of fluid and then we started it up. Always have the engine running when you're refilling these, and then we just use this little pump, this is right here, to fill it back up. And it takes just regular automatic transmission fluid. You don't really have to have anything special for 4L60E. Also, Valvoline Max Life is a good fluid for the 4L60E. So, alright, so you want a steady stream like that coming out of it when you put the plug back in it. And then you'll want to test drive this and then bring it back in and recheck that fluid.